Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today I want to talk about the DeWalt 2091 Bluetooth headphones. They're job site rated. They call them Pro. I think they're Pro as far as water resistance, but some of the other features we have to discuss. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon if you want to be notified when we're putting out new content. So when I saw these, DeWalt sent these to me, by the way. So they're regularly around $60 at Home Depot. Okay. So I didn't really understand the entire, like, you're supposed to wear these around your neck idea, and then you put the earbuds in your ears. Okay. So there's all these different sized parts for your ears. They have some different cones. So they have this other part that goes in your ear to kind of trap yourself inside of this area here that holds it in place. So you have this case of different size parts in case you have small ears or bigger ears, or you're having a problem with the earbud not fitting quite in your ear the proper way. So that's kind of cool. It also comes with a USB charging port. Again, I think the best feature of this particular headset is the fact that it's IPX6 rated, which means it's waterproof. So I don't know if I could actually physically dunk this in water, but I'm sure I could use this in the rain and it would work just fine. I personally don't wear earbuds a whole lot at work because I'm hard of hearing already. If I'm playing music in the background and I'm trying to concentrate and talk to somebody else or communicate, usually it's not working for me. My favorite headphones, though, are my Bose wireless headset, noise canceling. Those are highly, highly rated, and I always compare just about everything I have to those. Even though it's a different type of headphone, it's over the ear. I don't have the set of Bose earbuds. I do have a pair of AirPods. I don't wear them that much. I use them as backup if I'm on a plane maybe, but they don't really noise cancel as well as the Bose do. And neither do these. They say that there's some noise isolation properties to these headphones, but I think the only isolation you're really getting is when you're playing music. It's isolating you from the background noise that you would normally hear if you weren't wearing headphones. So I don't know how much cancellation technology is actually in these. So I don't know if you can really use these as far as like true hearing protection while you're on the job site, because I don't know how much of the job site noise is going to cancel out while like you're using chop saws and table saws and that kind of thing. So some of the features on this, again, I'm just not used to wearing something around my neck. So maybe it's just me. I don't really grab this entire concept, maybe because it needs some kind of a Bluetooth receiver and a battery. It has 15-hour playing time, which is pretty cool. I suppose that's awesome. And if you take a lot of phone calls while you listen to your music, then definitely would be a good system for you to consider. If you're an audiophile and you really want to hear your music and you play with a lot of bass, probably not the unit for you. These are only a $60 unit. They're really designed more for rugged work, taking a little bit more abuse, and maybe in wetter climates. There's 3 buttons on this side over here. There's a volume up and down, and then there's a way to answer the telephone, and the telephone button also powers this device on and off. So you can use it to take calls, listen to music, and that's about it, really. I personally wouldn't trust it for noise canceling as far as hearing protection. I think these are better for like a dusty environment where, like for what I do, building decks, and you're gonna get them dirty and full of sawdust and things like that. They do have a cover for the charging port, which says right here on the side to definitely close once you're done charging. So I think for a 15-hour life on the battery, that's really not a bad amount of time for having to wear this around your neck. Okay, so you've heard my opinion. They're, I would say, just average for sound, and they're gonna get the job done for what you need for music and for using it on your cell phone. I did make one phone call with them and it did work really well for that. It sounded good. I was able to communicate with the caller very well. Now, Studio Man, who is a audio engineer and makes a living by listening to music and mixing it and producing it, he took them and he tried them out. So basically what he determined was there's no sub frequency, no low bass, so you're not going to get that bump or that thump that you're looking for, so you're not going to get the true value of the song that you're listening to. He also said the high end is okay, but it's like it's riding the line of being too harsh. and maybe a little overemphasized. And also, when we did our research online about this model, we typed in the model number, and a recall came in from 2021. I don't know if these new set of headphones are part of that recall. I would assume not. I would assume that they have fixed that problem. There was something about charging and overheating of the device, so hopefully they got that all handled. I was able to charge mine just fine and didn't have an issue, but you just might want to double check online and make sure that there is not a recall on these before you go ahead and purchase them. Again, $60 at Home Depot, or you can get them on Amazon. I think if you're looking for something really rugged that can handle the weather and that you're gonna abuse, if you're in exterior work, lawn maintenance, construction, outdoors, framing, all that kind of stuff, might be a good consideration. Unless you really need it to isolate and keep your ears protected, then may not be the set for you. So I hope you guys appreciated this review. If you did, don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you have a pair of these and what you think of them, and if we're on point or if we missed the mark. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.